Welcome to Hashtagsteel.com. You can easily place an order. To begin, enter your email ID and password on the login page. Select the product you wish to buy, and on the product page, start by choosing the city for delivery. Then click Show Price. This will take you to the Find Seller page, where you can view all the available brands that match your selected specifications, along with their prices and closet location to your city. Choose your preferred brand and add it to your cart. Once you've added all your desired products, click Go to Cart. On the cart page, add your shipping address by clicking the plus symbol. A pop-up will appear for you to enter your company and personal details in case you are an individual entity, including your GST number or PAN card. Once you're done, click Save. At Hashtagsteel, we offer multiple secure payment options, including RazorPay and EaseBuzz. After selecting your preferred payment method, click Place Order. You'll then be directed to the payment gateway where you can securely enter your bank or card details. If you're using bank transfer, the site will direct you to your bank's page to complete the transaction. Once your payment is successfully processed, you'll see a confirmation message on your screen, and an order confirmation email will be sent to you, and that's it. Your order has been placed successfully.